Sometimes you just need to change up your space a little bit, and an easy way to do this is by replacing some of the lighting fixtures in your RV. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is where you get a modern flair that meets durability. This is one of our ceiling pendants. The product code is RP-1903. I'll go ahead and put the dimensions up here on the screen for you guys. So like I said, this is where a modern flair meets durability. This light fixture is very attractive. It pairs this metal steel basket weave shade with this brushed steel pendant up here, and it just makes it look good. On top of it all, it is fitted with a bright LED light that is both energy efficient, and it puts out about a 300K color temperature, so it is a nice warm white light. This light is easy to install as it just has a simple 2-wire hookup. It is run off of 12-volt power, so it's perfect for your RV kitchens, living rooms, dining rooms, or even bedrooms. On top of it all, it has a built-in on and off switch right here on the light fixture, so you don't have to get up and go all the way across the room just to turn it on. This light is run off of 12-volt power, so if you are interested in changing up your space, then please check out the link for this light fixture down in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to see more, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.